In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Boolean columns in Glide. A Boolean column is a simple true or false field, ideal for things like marking a task as done, turning a feature on or off, or controlling visibility with a yes or no flag. Adding one is quick, and it gives you a lot of power when building logic in your app. Start by going to Glide in your web browser. Sign into your account so you can access your projects. Once you're on the dashboard, open the project you want to edit. Pick the app you're actively working on so the new column ends up in the right place. Inside the builder, look toward the top and click Data. This opens Glide's data editor, where all your tables and columns live. Think of it as the spreadsheet that powers your app, with each row representing a record and each column representing a specific piece of information. On the left side, you'll see a list of your tables. Choose the table you want to edit. This should be the table where a true or false field makes sense. Maybe a users table for an isAdmin flag or an items table for an in-stock toggle. If you don't immediately see the table you expect, make sure you're viewing the correct source connected to your project. Next, click New Column. You'll typically find this button near the top of the columns list. A panel will appear asking for details about the new field. Enter the name of the column. Clear, action-oriented names work best for Booleans, like show banner is featured or requires approval. Using yes or no phrasing helps you and your team read conditions more naturally later on. Now, choose Boolean as the type. Selecting Boolean ensures the column stores only true or false values, which Glide displays as a checkbox or toggle in the data editor. This specialized type is what enables conditions, filters, and visibility rules to work reliably, because you're not dealing with ambiguous text like yes or no. It's a strict true or false value. That's it. You've created a Boolean column in the correct table of your project. From here, you'll see the new column added to your data grid, ready to support app logic, such as conditional visibility, actions, or filtering. Remember, Booleans are best used as simple switches that control behavior without extra complexity. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs.